Hi friends, according to the viewers' wish and request, we are presenting the BPL dishwasher video working and review in English. After using this dishwasher for about 8 months, we found very convenient with this dishwasher. Pros of using this dishwasher. This dishwasher uses only 10 to 15 liters of water to make our vessels clean. Power consumption is also low, as much as a front-load washing machine. This dishwasher cleans well with stainless steel. This dishwasher can be used with normal liquid detergents too, like Green Liquid, Surf Excel Liquid. We use this liquid detergents due to lockdown. Since we can't able to get a dishwasher detergent online, we are going to see about BPL dishwasher demo. This dishwasher is of very low cost. This dishwasher is a 12-place setting dishwasher. This dishwasher cost around 20,000 rupees only. This dishwasher has many options like glass mode, rapid mode, 1-hour mode, soak mode, auto mode, intensive mode, and normal mode. We are going to use 1-hour option now. In this option itself, this dishwasher is cleaning the vessels very well. Here we need to insert dish tab or detergent. Here we need to pour rinse aid. The use of rinse aid, it will give shine to our vessels. Now we are inserting the dish tab. Now we are adding some rinse aid. You can add rinse aid in weekly once manner. Now we are going to add salt. This salt is used to soften the water we are using if it is hard. Now we are going to see about the drain pipe. This is the drain pipe. Waste water will be drained through this pipe. We can clean this pipe once in a week. And then this dishwasher contains 2 fans. This dishwasher supply high pressure water from this fan, leaves to clean the vessels. Now, we are going to arrange the dirty vessels inside the dishwasher. We can see how dirty these vessels are. Many people are telling that only after making slight wash we need to keep the vessels inside the dishwasher for cleaning. But it is not true. We can arrange the vessels after removing all the waste from the vessels. Now we are arranging cookers. If the cookers are in stainless steel, it will be better, because aluminium vessels can't be cleaned in any dishwasher. So please be sure the vessels are not aluminium. This dishwashers will clean glass, stainless steel and good quality plastics vessels. Only the vessels which caught tough burn stains vessels can't be cleaned well. Otherwise all our regular used vessels are well cleaned by this dishwasher. Arranging the vessels play a vital role in cleaning. We need make sure whether the inner side of the vessel facing towards the fan leaves. We should not keep a vessel above the another vessel, because it will not clean if we keep vessel above the another vessel. Now we have set all the vessels in the correct position. After arranging, we need to check whether the fan can move freely without any stuck. Here you can see it is struck in the cut board, so we are keeping it in cross position. Now we finished everything. Now we are going to set the 1 hour option and let it to clean the vessels. In this 1 hour option, the water used by this dishwasher is only 10 to 12 liters. In that water itself it will wash and dry the vessels very clean. Now we can open and see how it has washed. As the dishwasher washed with the hot water, you can see the water vapors coming out. Now we can check one by one whether it has washed or not. If there is any space or curve in your vessel, then water will be there. You can remove it after washing. You can see how dirty we kept this cooker before, but now it is so clean. Wow! It's really so clean. All the vessels are so clean and shiny. Now one basket is over, let us go to the next basket. You can see the plates how it is shining. Remember, we kept those very dirty. Many think that for Indian kitchen this dishwasher will not be useful. We too thought like that only before. But now we agree that we can use dishwasher for Indian kitchens. So you can purchase this dishwasher and use it well. If had any doubts about that, please comment. If you liked this video, please subscribe.